Welcome back to the Auto Chapter, guys. Today we're diving into one of the most exhilarating supercars of 2026, the Audi R8 V10. This beast blends track performance with daily driving comfort in a way few others can match. Let's take a detailed look at what makes this new R8 so special, starting with the exterior. The 2026 Audi R8 V10 carries forward the signature, aggressive, yet elegant design. The front fascia is lower and sharper, with a redesigned honeycomb grille, flanked by sleek matrix LED headlights that give it a bold and futuristic face. Large air intakes on both sides enhance aerodynamics and cooling, while the carbon fiber side blades remain an iconic touch. The new rear design features old taillights, a deeper diffuser, and twin oval exhausts that give it a purposeful, performance-driven look. The car sits low on 20-inch forged alloy wheels, and thanks to new lightweight materials, it looks as agile as it truly is. From every angle, the 2026 R8 screams performance and style. Under the hood, or rather behind the seats, is where the magic happens. The 2026 R8 is powered by a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, delivering a monstrous 620 horsepower and 417 pounds-ft of torque. The engine roars to life with a symphony only a V10 can produce, revving all the way up to 8,700 RPM. The Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures razor-sharp handling and incredible grip in all conditions. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. With a top speed exceeding 205 miles per hour, Audi has fine-tuned the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission to deliver quicker, more responsive shifts, making the car feel alive with every gear change. Whether you're pushing it on the track or carving through mountain roads, the R8 offers confidence, balance, and raw excitement. Inside, the R8 continues to blend luxury with purpose. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, Nappa leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trims are used generously. The virtual cockpit display dominates the driver's view, showing everything from navigation to performance telemetry. Audi has simplified the center console, putting all controls within easy reach of the driver, enhancing the focused, cockpit-like experience. The new sport seats are more supportive for spirited driving, yet remain comfortable for long journeys. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bang & Olufsen sound system, and dual-zone climate control come standard, making it a surprisingly livable supercar. Every detail inside reflects Audi's obsession with precision and driver engagement. As for pricing, 2026 Audi R8 V10 starts at around $170,000 for the base coupe and goes up to $210,000 for the performance Quattro model with all options. While it's a serious investment, you're getting as a supercar that blends stunning design, everyday usability, and race-ready performance. Compared to rivals in its class, the R8 stands out for its reliability, balance, that legendary V10 soundtrack that's becoming increasingly rare in today's turbocharged world. That's it for today's detailed review of the 2026 Audi R8 V10. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews just like this. See you in the next video.